Hi guys, what's up? Hoping you guys are doing fine now. For me, I'm not doing quite fine because I've been so lazy. Like, this week has been so unproductive for me. I just realized lazy girl era is real, and that's the current state for me. I've not even spread my bed. Like, I'm coming to you raw guys. I've just done my hair today. I was super lazy. Like, my hair had looked so beaten up. I had to do this simple hair. Na mimi kulingana na uvivu nikaona I cannot even stand to be plaited. So I just decided to go and do the hair and just a blow dry. That's all. Even my eyebrows are overgrown. My nails are still looking bad. Like, I'm just in my lazy girl era. I can't do anything. Have been starving myself, by the way. I don't want to cook. I don't feel like cooking. And then today now, because I've gone out, at least I'm not going to be starving for today. I've bought food. Let me show you guys the food I've bought. Guys, I've just bought all these things, but not everything is food. So this is what I've bought. Pilau, it's steaming hot. Hey. And because I knew that pilau is not going to have meat, I've bought this fish, which is also cooked. Like, everything I've got today is cooked. Because I can't imagine myself cooking right now. The way I'm feeling lazy. Hey, let me put this pilau in a plate so that you guys can see how it looks. I also want to see how it looks, by the way. Let me get a plate. So, here we have this, my favorite plates. So, chatu nitoboe hapa. Because it's mine. I can bite it. Wow. Kachumbari. Here it goes. Wow, it's not that bad. I can see a piece of meat somewhere. So I'll start with it. And then I add to this fish. This is what I'm having for supper tonight. I don't know how fish with rice goes, but today is the day I'm going to try it. I'm used to fish with ugali. But who said you can't change the schedule? After all, I'm from the mountain, so I can try anything I want. Although I'm not from Kikuyu. Most people think Mount Kenya is all about Kikuyu. But no, I'm from Tharaka-Nithi. Anyway, let me enjoy my supper. I don't even have the energy to film.
The next day.
Guys, I attended a ruracio. Come with me to the ruracio. Kwa gina wa murero odigoko murero odigoko kwa gina wa murero odigoko karibu goko na baba liuga karibu titokauga hodi goko kwa gina wa murero hodi goko.
The next day.
So guys, rice is ready. It's not looking very well. I don't know why. I hope it's also cooked. And here we have chicken. It's steamed, so it's not yet ready. Hata haijaiva. I want us to prepare this chicken, but first of all, I have to prepare it. You guys know how I cook my chicken, but let me show you what we'll do to it. So since it's broiler chicken, I love to take my time on it. I'm gonna have this plate. Then I'll place the pieces of meat here. Then we're going to marinate these pieces. So the butcher guy cut the pieces into small things. I wasn't looking, and I don't love mine being cut into small pieces. But then it happened. That butchery, my favorite butchery, usually gives us these Royco cubes. I don't like Royco. Somebody warned me against them. But since I was given for free today, I'm gonna add it in as my marination. So I'll add it to my chicken pieces. So I usually mix using my hand like that. And then I have a little masala. So I will add it on my hand. It's just a little. To add salt. Usually I add enough, but since Royco has some salt, I'm gonna add a little. So I think that's enough. I don't want it to be so much because already Royco cube has excess salt. So yeah, I think that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and deep fry. Today I'm not adding a lot of things. So my oil is almost getting finished. It's so little. I hope it's going to be enough. So I'll don't wait for the oil to be so hot. But because my chicken is already a bit deep fried, I've just found this piece was not even cooked. I've decided to add it. That's why it's raw. Acha ichemke pamoja na hiyo kuku.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until...
Guys, it's so bad that you're not here, but I'm gonna do you justice by tasting the food. This life of living alone, I still insist, is so good. Super good. I think the reason it's so sweet is because of the ginger and garlic. They have changed everything. It's super sweet, but it's so hot. I want to taste the chicken. The chicken is soft. Super sweet. That's for the thumbnail. So happy. Like this video, guys. Please like this video, guys. It's sweet.
The next day.
Guys, I'm dealing with the laziness and I think I'm almost winning because right now it's almost 9. Actually, the news are starting right now. I've just come from the salon and I've done my eyebrows. You guys can see I'm looking good. They are trimmed. I don't like them to be so trimmed, but bro, they look good. And also I've done my toes, my toenails. For the hands, I've not yet done them because there was no time. You know, I've done just immediately after I got out of my workplace. So I didn't have enough time. But let me show you, I'll show you a pic or a video of how my nails were looking. Aki, they had overgrown. Hey, sometimes najiachilianga. We, for real, for real. They were looking overgrown. And then now let me show you how these ones look. The new look is so pretty. I've never tried a green color before, but I think they're looking good. Though I don't like this. It has not come out the way I thought it would. Anyway, guys, how do you like them? But now the problem is I don't know what I'm going to cook because I don't have time. But anyway, I always have to eat supper, by the way. I have to, because I will wake up very hungry. Like, I don't know why. Maybe it's a habit I got used to. I have to cook each and every meal. So let me just prepare ugali. And then maybe I'll consider with milk or something because I don't have anything else in the house. Nowadays, I'm so broke. I don't understand. It's like I stopped doing shopping or something. Yeah, so let me just, I was just looking at something on the news. Let me just prepare ugali and enjoy that. I am doing my own nails, guys. I will show you the results. All my tools are here. I'm watching 10 over 10. In the meantime, it's Friday, guys. Yeah, and I have my water here. So I'll show you guys the results. Outside, it's raining. Guys, how do I look? I was filming a video for YouTube, although my hair is looking so bad. So now, okay guys, by the way, I have two channels. So I was filming a video for my other channel, and Kiki. It's usually a sit down where I get to tell people different ways in which I'm living, in which I'm surviving in these tough economic times. So I share different ways you can make money and also different ways you can invest. I have done so much research on those related content. So if you guys want to check that, go and check it out. So I've gotten so tired and so I'm eating this apple. By the way, imagine I usually film this in the morning because I don't have any other time. So it is very early in the morning. It's around 7 and I've already filmed a video. So I'm already getting so hungry because I just woke up and started filming. I've not even eaten any breakfast. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update because this is a weekly vlog. Yeah. Guys, I was just editing the vlog and then I realized there is no parting shot, so this vlog would end abruptly. So I decided let me give you guys a parting shot, but I have a cold. Already you guys can hear the way I'm speaking, so I don't know what's all about this vlog. I have a flu at the same time. In my lazy girl era, so laziness plus a flu or a cold, I don't know what's all this, but let me hope in the next vlog I'll be okay. You guys can hear I can't speak well. I'm struggling to talk and breathe and remember my profession. But thank you so much guys for watching my vlogs. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'll bring you guys more content, better content. So make sure you stay tuned and turn on the bell notification. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.